We're incredibly excited to announce that Season 3 of The RVers premieres on the Discovery Channel on Saturday morning, May 15th.
Over the past year, we've been filming new segments on a wide range of topics, along with our co-hosts Tom and Kate Morton and show creator Anthony Nally. These include winter RVing, towing, refrigeration, water safety, family RVing, electrical hookups, and even replacing an RV air conditioner.
Season 3 also features a major DIY upgrade we completed on a friend's RV, turning it from an ordinary travel trailer into an off-grid boondocking beast. Look for that segment in episode 4.
We also filmed in some of the most beautiful places we've ever shared, including Zion and Arches National Parks and Crater Lake, where Tom and I dove off a rock ledge into the deep blue 52-degree water.
Early last year, just before the pandemic hit, we were filming in New Zealand, where we spent 5 weeks RVing across the country with Tom and Kate. You can see the epic footage we captured there in episode 6.
But rather than tell you more about what's coming, we can show you with a couple of brand new teasers the RVers just released.
That teaser shares scenes from some of the technical and educational segments, but a second one gives you a peek at some of the amazing places we visited. That includes New Zealand, where we whitewater rafted over a 7-meter-high waterfall and where we both went bungee jumping.
Sword.
Season 3 also features industry experts like Marianne and Anna, the mother-daughter team behind Boondockers Welcome, and Battleborn Batteries co-founder Sean Nichols in a segment about getting set up in his brand new RV, the first one he's ever owned.
Season 3 of The RVers airs on the Discovery Channel on Saturday mornings, premiering on May 15th, 2021, so be sure to set your DVR so you don't miss an episode. The show will also be available on Discovery Go.
Or you can watch and record the show on various cord-cutting services like Hulu Live and YouTube TV. Then the entire season will be available to download on iTunes or Apple TV on Father's Day, Sunday, June 20th.
After the Discovery Channel run, the show also airs on PBS and Fun Roads TV stations around the country, so be sure to check your local listings.
Besides PBS and Apple TV, the streaming version will also be available on Amazon Video, Google Play, and Xbox. Those streaming versions of the show are commercial-free and include special bonus content. So there are tons of ways to watch the show, including the iTunes Store in many English-speaking countries.
So tune in or set your DVR for Saturday mornings on the Discovery Channel, and we'll hope to see you there on the RVers.